Hey future scientists, this kit comes with the following items. You'll need to supply your own vinegar. Let's get started.
Hey, Mr. Cow, help me. This volcano's about to erupt. The boat's stuck.
Oh no!
The volcano's about to erupt. Hurry up and please help me. Please help me. Take me out. Help me. Cow.
Oh no! Okay, I'm
Mr.
coming.
Cow, you need to get me out. The volcano's about to
Oh no, I can't help you.
Hey future scientists, this volcano happened because of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is where one or more substances are changed into one or more different substances. The baking soda and vinegar react in the volcano to make carbon dioxide gas and salt water. If you want to see another experiment you can do with baking soda and vinegar, check out this video. As always, thanks for joining us and don't forget to subscribe.